In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom forms in GetFormly. To get started, open the GetFormly website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, select Create Form, and if the option is available, choose to start with a blank form. This gives you full control over the structure and lets you build exactly what you need from scratch. Next, give your form a clear and descriptive name based on its purpose. This could be something like a customer feedback form, a client intake form, a contact form, or an event registration form. Using a specific name may seem simple, but it makes your forms much easier to organize and find later, especially if you plan to create several of them. Now add your first question. Click the option to add a question, then choose the question type that best matches the information you want to collect. A great starting example is, "What is your name?" If that information is essential, make the question required so respondents can't skip it. From there, continue adding the questions you need. Formly supports different question types such as short text, long text, email, phone number, multiple choice, drop-down, and rating. Short text is useful for brief answers, while long text works better for detailed responses. Email and phone number fields help collect contact information in the proper format. Multiple choice and drop-down questions are great when you want to guide people through limited options, and rating fields are helpful for feedback or satisfaction surveys. As you build, customize each question carefully. Edit the wording so it's clear, add helpful descriptions or instructions when needed, and keep each question focused on one thing at a time. That makes the form easier to complete and reduces confusion. You can also add conditional logic to make the form more dynamic. Choose a question that determines what someone sees next. For example, if the question asks whether someone is interested in your services, selecting yes can reveal a follow-up question about which service they need, while selecting no can skip that follow-up entirely. This helps the form adapt to each respondent. If you want to create your own forms faster, feel free to check out GetFormly using the affiliate link in the description. It's a simple way to get started, and now let's keep going. Next, open the design or customization settings to choose a suitable theme or layout, adjust colors, and add your branding or logo if available. Keep the design clean and consistent. Then add a short welcome message at the beginning to explain what the form is for and what information respondents should be ready to provide. After that, create a custom thank you screen with a personalized confirmation message so people know their submission was successful. If Formly offers AI form creation, you can use it to generate a starting version of your form, then review and edit the questions so everything matches your needs. Before publishing, click Preview and go through the entire form as if you were a respondent. Check the layout, branding, navigation, and any conditional logic. Then submit a test response using sample information, return to the dashboard, and confirm the response was recorded correctly. Once everything looks good, click Publish and copy the published form